In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video with photos in Canva. If you want to turn a set of still images into something polished, smooth, and engaging, Canva makes the process much easier than traditional video editing software. Instead of wrestling with complicated tools, you can build a clean photo video right inside Canva using its built-in timeline, transitions, and audio tools. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the home dashboard, look for the video category. From there, choose the format that fits your project best. A standard 1920 by 1080 video is a great choice for most screens, while a mobile video works better for vertical viewing. And as soon as you open the project, Canva will load a blank video canvas with a timeline along the bottom, and that's where your slideshow will come together. Next, bring in your photos. On the left-hand side, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. Choose the images you want from your computer and wait for them to finish uploading. Once they appear as thumbnails in your library, you're ready to start building the sequence. It helps to upload everything first so the editing process feels smoother. Now drag your first photo down into the timeline and place it on the first page. To continue, click the Add Page button in the timeline to create another slide, then drag in your next image. Keep repeating that process until all your photos are arranged in the order you want. This is the point where your story starts to take shape, so take a moment to make sure the image flow feels natural. After that, add transitions to make the video feel smoother. Hover between two pages on the timeline and click Add Transition. Canva will give you a few styles to choose from. Dissolve is a safe, clean option, while Match and Move can create a more dynamic feeling. Adjust the duration to control how fast or slow the transition happens, then apply it to all pages if you want the whole video to feel consistent. To add more emotion and energy, bring in music. Click Audio on the left side, or use a music file you've already uploaded. Select a track and Canva will place it beneath your video timeline. You can then drag the ends of the track to line it up with your slideshow so the audio fits the length of the video more cleanly. Finally, preview everything by moving the playhead along the timeline and pressing the spacebar to watch it back. Check that the pacing feels right and that the transitions and music are aligned properly. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video, set the quality to 1080p HD or 4K if available, and download your finished video. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.